Come on, this
Hold on.
Oh, I get something.
Oh, this one.
Yo, we are just both of us are gonna fall, okay? No one is gonna die. Bro, if I ever have a cabin and my bathroom is out here, I would not even
Guys, I am back.
We talked about
My mom.
there a freaking restroom outside the cabin. Like if I get a cabin and the restroom is outside, there's no chances I'm gonna live in this house. Like that's so scary. Do not leave me alone. You guys are
It
so
is Nobalisa.
No, not what was that? It sounded like my grandfather's voice. No, that's the ghost mimicking. That's the ghost mimicking our grandfather's voice.
Shut Andre. I am your lost grandmother.
Everybody shush. I think I hear something.
No, it's scary. Oh, it's the FNAF song. Can we just go back to the game?
Let's go.
I just want to listen.
Why am I the ringleader now?
Because you wanted to be.
No,
Yeah, you're
no,
always
not
the
Sean.
ringleader.
Get back in here.
I want the sun. Oh, yeah,
That's Sean. No, that's Sean.
That's my mom.
Who's the dumbest here, by the way? Who's the most weirdest here?
Me. No, grandfather. Wait. I'm gonna kill the goat and I'm gonna get revenge for my father because he cannot do that to my father because I love my grandpa so much. I would kill that monster away like he's a paper.
Anyways, guys, I'm gonna be AFK.
No, we are not gonna move. Stop it. Stop it. Do not get that. Do not get that. Yeah, I'm gonna get this Casio. Because I guess. Or.
Lisa,
I knew Goku was going to be there. How are we running that slow?
Why is it only chasing me?
because you're the last one.
Okay. But kind of goofy.
Hi guys, sorry this video has to end that quick because our friend died. We really have to. I'm sorry. We cannot play without our friend. That's all. Thanks for watching the vid. And please subscribe and like if you enjoyed watching. Thank you. Bye.